Hey, welcome back to part 2. So we swing the feet up and over kind of like this. This is kind of what they're saying somewhere, I guess. Or maybe it goes like that, turn the body. I really have no idea. Their directions are not the best in the world. I think it was Bart Matrix or Piz that said, yeah, Transformers directions nowadays are pretty garbage in the black and white thing. So then, what the heck do we do? Here, something that we gotta collapse the feet inward. So they're saying just put them up like this, okay? So that they're like this, and then tab it together. Easier said on paper than in person. I'm trying to get the little tabs in the legs to tab together. Yeah, that doesn't really tab together all that great. Then they're saying put the head down, and it should be simple. So just kind of put the come on, arms like this. We'll take the head down, which should go down and tab into these little holes over here. Which, yeah, again, more easier said than actually being done. Okay, they don't tab into those holes, they tab into these pads, which, again, saying it is easy, doing it is hard. Unless you're supposed to not follow their instructions, which I'm not going to do. Kind of get it all in there, which doesn't really work. But if you remove them, the head can actually go down a bit more. But then, yeah, the shoulders don't go in. If you move it up a bit, you can lock the shoulders in there, but you can't bring the head down, which needs to go down to get onto these little pads here. So you kind of have his head up in a weird angle right there, which is god awful and stupid. I mean, these don't go any further on in there, so yeah, F it, just F in the A. Hasbro, yeah, bad idea. And these little paws, the claws, they just keep on popping out. I don't know, I'm calling it completed, because, yeah, that's a completed Gator. And these bat ones are way too small. Like, the bat legs don't even look like delays, they're like just dorky little bat feet. Then you're supposed to take the tail and put it in there and then put the gun in there. So, gun, just slide on in his tail. This kind of gets in a little tail extension. On here, you gotta sandwich the feet by holding them, and the only thing that will hold the feet together, not the tabs that they say that there's tabs that once you put it together you hear that snap, that the tabs close. Nope. The tabs for the legs do not close. The only thing that holds the legs closed is by popping in the tail. The head is supposed to go down into these two little tabs here, because as you can see there is little tabs right there that are supposed to tab into the sides of here. They don't tab in. Due to how it's transformation, it's garbage, and it's little Krok mode. Which the crocodile is supposed to be pretty cool, but it's not. Now this part of the head, your feet will open up. It doesn't. It's actually made out of soft rubbery plastic, which is great for light piping. The little back door here, as you can see, that I am bending it and moving it and doing all sorts of things to it. That's actually made out of rubber, just like doing the head, which I wish some of the other Transformers had. I wish that Hardhead and Quake, you know, the recurve version of Hardhead, I wish that they had the plants on there, because their little canopies are super duper hard to get open and close. And this little guy does not want to sit in there. There, we finally pop him in there. Now this doesn't really close. There is a little bit of a gap, as you can see. So I guess you could, no. Even if you do over push it down in there, it's still going to flap up to a gap. In Gator mode, they lie. They show here, oh, it's a good Gator mode. Look how good it is. Look, the little pads in there. Well, like here, I'm not kidding, on the instruction sheet, if we look at step 8 and 9, well actually step 9, they're saying that the blades tab together where there's a little snap. That's a freaking lie. And the head's supposed to be pushed down where it goes onto the little tabs on its shoulders of its, you know, gator front feet / rubber hands. Nope, that's a freaking lie right there. Two lies! Two freaking lies that Hasbro has done. Step 9, the bat legs snapping together where you don't even need a tail. Nope, you gotta have that tail to keep those bat legs together. Or, if you ever lose your tail, I guess that's what this rubber band's for. You know, you wrap it around and stuff, and then the legs stay together. So, either have your tail, or this rubber band for the legs. The head, no. The head's goofy, it's funny. Like, seriously, that's it. But if you move the arms out, look how much that head snaps down in there. That looks nice. And this, there's nothing that holds this together, so it's just like, do 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 do. But yeah. And then these, they just snap right on off. So there's your stupid little Krok, which in robot mode looks fantastic, looks awesome, except for the hip joints. They are really weak hip joints. We all know the old school trick of the YouTube hat to fix those leg joints. Just get some Pledge, you know, 4 polish cleaner, and the liquid in the bottle. Don't get that spray can. Just get the liquid 4 polish cleaner. Get a Q-tip or a toothpick and just rub it on those hip joints, and those legs are going to be nice. They're not going to fall down or wibble wobble or tumble over or anything. In Gator mode, on the back of the box, on the front of the box, it looks nice, but in reality, when you actually get it out of the box and put it together, it is super duper weak. I mean, the back legs need a tail to hold them together. The tail doesn't lock into place. The front paws look weird. The back paws don't line up with the front. The head doesn't tab in at all. Now, having the plastic, the subfloor plastic for the head of the gator, or the Krok in this case, for a Krok, he would be a Krok or K-Man, I guess. While Gatorface is obviously an alligator. I don't mind the rubber, and even on the back here for this little back Titan canopy / headmaster canopy, You know, I don't mind that being a Warwick present. Actually, I kind of wish that the Warwick present was on, like I said, Hardhead and Quake on their little camp piece on the back of them. But you know, the Titan sits. That would have been a lot better, but on this one, it's not that bad. The only complaints, like I said, is the head, the back legs, the other back legs, and the front legs. That's the big major complaint. Oh, and then maybe the hips. Other than that, not that bad. So yeah, that has been the unboxing review of Titan's Returns, Deluxe Quest, Gatorface and Krok Decepticon. Oh yeah, I'll also throw in a link to toyhats.com if you want to get some stickers to take this Hasbro one and make it to look like a G1 or even a better version where Hasbro should have made it for Titan's Return. Yeah, all that stuff will be down below in the description. The information, links to toyhats.com, you know, toy hats. Definitely go check out the website, link down below in the description. And remember to subscribe and leave a comment. Alright, thanks.